Welcome to our YouTube video on how to hide Instagram hashtags. In this full guide, we'll show you the step-by-step process to keep your hashtags hidden while still enjoying their benefits. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a text editor on your phone, such as Evernote or Notes. Step 2. Type a dot and press return for 5 lines. Remember to make sure there are no spaces after the dot. This will create some space between your caption and the hidden hashtags. Step 3. Now, place your list of hashtags right underneath the 5th dot. This way, they will be hidden from view when you post your content. Step 4. Copy the entire text, including the line breaks. This will preserve the formatting of your hidden hashtags. Step 5. Next, open the Instagram app on your phone. You're now ready to create a new post or share a photo. Step 6. Tap the plus icon to start a new post and choose the photo or video you want to share. Then, paste the caption you copied earlier into the caption field. By following these simple steps, you can effectively hide your Instagram hashtags while still benefiting from their reach and engagement. Give it a try and elevate your Instagram game. Welcome to our YouTube